Today I'm going to teach you how to put the LoyaltyDog icon on the till tray at the bottom right hand side of your screen on the till. The reason we need it there is that we access the LoyaltyDog page for scanning our customers' loyalty passes to award them points or rewards using that particular icon. So here it goes. First of all, we go to the Hamburger menu or the 3-bar menu at the top left-hand side of the screen. We go to Settings and we'll go to Additional. And then we'll choose to toggle on LoyaltyDog and go back to the till, and LoyaltyDog icon will be there on the till. If we click into it, it will open up the LoyaltyDog page where we can scan a pass or enter some details to find our customers to whom we want to give points or award rewards. That's all for now. Thank you very much. I'm Bernstein from LoyaltyDog. You can reach us on support@loyalty.dog if you have any questions whatsoever. Thank you.